Alam niyo po, hindi ako umattend ng lahat ng aking graduation. Assalamualaikum. Madiyaw ug maayong buntag kaninyong tanan. Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ito po ay graduation pero allow me po na mag-insert ng napakaliit na politika po dito sa ating event. Noon pong nakita ko na meron kayong invitation sa akin na dumalo sa inyong graduation ay nabigyan ako ng konting joy dahil nabigyan ako ng, through your invitation, nabigyan ako ng opportunity na bumalik dito sa Dasmariñas City at personal na magpasalamat sa inyong lahat sa tulong ninyo sa akin noong kampanya at noong nakaraang eleksyon. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At maraming salamat din po sa patuloy ninyo na pagsuporta sa pamilya namin, ang pamilyang Duterte. Isang magandang at masayang araw sa inyong lahat, lalong-lalo na sa inyo na mga magtatapos ngayong araw at sa inyong mga magulang at mga mahal sa buhay na tumulong, nagsakripisyo at walang sawa na nagtaguyod sa inyong pag-aaral. Ang pagtatapos ninyo ngayon ay isang masayang simula sa katuparan ng inyong mga pangarap na pangarap din ng inyong mga magulang para sa inyo at para sa inyong mga pamilya. Alam niyo po, hindi ako umattend ng lahat ng aking graduation. Ang huling graduation ko na na-attendan ko ay ang aking fourth year high school dahil required sa amin na umattend. Pero nung nag-college na ako, graduate ako sa college, sinabihan ko ang aking mga magulang. Sabi ko sa kanila, huwag na tayong umattend dahil matagal kayong nakaupo doon. 5 oras kayo uupo doon at isang segundo lang yung pagkuha ko ng diploma. Graduate naman na ako, okay na yon para sa inyo. Pero when I attend events like this, I am happy that you are there sitting in your chairs dahil ang araw na ito ay para sa mga nandito sa kaliwa ng room na ito. Dahil the reason that you are sitting on those chairs is because of the love that they have for you, including our parents na nasa abroad ngayon, hindi makarating dahil kailangan nila magtrabaho. At namasaya ako na ginawa ninyo itong araw na ito para sa kanila. Don't let this day end without thanking your parents, your guardians, and all the people who have helped you get to this day. Nararapat lamang na ipagdiwang ang okasyong ito kasabay ng pagpapasalamat sa mga magulang, mga guro ng Emilio Aguinaldo College at sa lahat ng mga tao na naging bahagi ng tagumpay ng ating mga magtatapos sa araw na ito. This is a special moment that deserves to be forever remembered by the graduates, their parents, and the entire Emilio Aguinaldo College community because you belong to the first batch of students who went through the government's senior high school program when it was started 6 years ago. It was the same time when the government partnered with the private sector for the implementation of the senior high school voucher program that provided financial support to qualified students enrolled in private schools. You are the living proof of our country's first attempt at producing graduates with 21st century education equipped with life, career, learning and innovation, and communication and information technology skills. When COVID-19 pandemic came, education was one of the casualties. We saw some private schools shutting down, and this misfortune was followed by the exodus of students from private institutions to government-run educational institutions. But the pandemic was no match for the collective resolve of the Philippine government and all education stakeholders in our country, who ensured that Filipino learners continue to have access to education. With your family's support, you were able to pursue higher education. In case you have not realized this yet, you're a lucky batch, but it was not just luck that brought you here. You, the graduates, the parents, the school, Emilio Aguinaldo College community, you embody resiliency and the indomitable will to overcome difficult times. And that is one thing good about us Filipinos. We are always resilient, whatever the difficulty is in front of us.